friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariana. I'm a practicum nail educator, and here on my channel you'll find many tips and tricks how to become a successful nail technician and definitely to do long-lasting nails. Before we start, please support me with a like and subscribe to my channel, share with your nail friends, and be the first one who will see my weekly video nail tutorials here on my channel. In today's video, you will see how to do a new set of nail extension, ballerina shape, and also how to work with Egoista tube gel. This set of nails is 4 weeks old, and with my clients we decided to do this time longer, so we'll do nail extension. I'm starting to do product removal with the green band ceramic bit, and here will be necessary to remove the product maximum as possible, but keep in mind in the same time don't overfile the nail plate. More details about bits and how to do safely and fast product removal you can find on my channel on dedicated video to product removal. I will leave in description down below direct link. Using a red flame bit at speed 1800 rpm, I have removed the pterygium. Now I do the combi manicure, so I'm using a scissors, sometimes a nipper, depend on a client, and I'm trimming the cuticle. Now for the product application, I will start with acid-free primer. Remember that acid-free primer works as double tape and is very important on process of nail extension. To do the sculpting, I will use the sparkling white tube gel. This is a limited edition from Egoista. As I have mentioned, it's a limited edition. Highly recommend to buy this product because your clients will love it. Color is milky white, which is super trendy at this moment, and it also is having shimmering inside, so it's having that holographic sparkle. I will say wow. And you can do the nail extension or just nail strengthening, and you will have color which is milky white, then a nail extension as well. So it's 2-in-1 product. In the first layer, I just sculpted the free edge. I have cured on a lamp for 20 seconds. Then I'm using the pinch and clip. So arched nails are much more longer, we all know. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this color, and if you had tried Egoista tube gel or maybe exactly this color, let me know in the comments what do you think and how much do you love or your clients. In the second layer, I already build the nail structure, so I make sure the apex is in the right placement, which is half of the natural nail plate. Then I'm starting to do the nail filing, and here to speed up I'm using the carbide bit green band, and I work at speed 30,000 rpm. Just because I love the color of sparkling white, plus it's super trendy right now, so I'm skipping the step of color application, and I will seal everything with matte top coat. And this matte top coat from Egoista, I love it just because it doesn't stain, and secondly doesn't have a dispersion layer, so you don't have to wipe it after it's cured. And I will do the nail art after top coat application, again with the Egoista product, and gel paints from Egoista. Thick viscosity is allowing me to do thin lines, and also I can work after top coat. My nail friends, please let me know in the comments below if your clients love Halloween, what they asking you to draw this Halloween season on their nails. And also don't forget that I'm accepting suggestion and recommendation from you what type of the video should come on my channel. So I'm looking forward to read your comments. Before I send in the lamp, I'm adding this dark greenish sparkly, and I cure in a lamp for 2 minutes. So normal I will cure the gel paint 1 minute, but just because we're adding sparkle, or you may add acrylic powder or anything else on your product, and gel paints in this case, so we need to double the curing time. So keep in mind. And just because Halloween is around the corner, I can't leave this set without spider. Then what is the point to do this web without spider? And let's do spider. I will use for body of the spider crystals, and I seal them with crystal gel, same from Egoista. And by the way, all the products what are used in this video, I'm including in description below links for you. Also keep in mind there is a coupon code if you want to purchase any of this product. After I have secured the crystal and I went around with matte top coat, I'm using the same gel paint and I draw the spider legs. And before I cure again, I'm including that sparkling powder. My nail friends, thank you for watching this video tutorial. Thank you for supporting me with a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos with your nail friends. I really appreciate it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and also please give me suggestion what type of the video would you like to see on upcoming my video tutorials. Have a great nail day friends, and see you next week on another video tutorial.